Hiccup, you are grounded for 197,366,486 weeks. Get back inside right now. Yes, I grounded Hiccup.
Jack, that is the guy that grounded me.
Trevor, how dare you ground my best friend Hiccup? That is it, Trevor, go home now, we are phoning your parents.
Trevor, how dare you ground Hiccup?
He is the best DreamWorks character and we like him.
But Mom and Dad, I don't like Hiccup, he is dumb and stupid.
We don't care.
That's it, you were grounded for 7 weeks. You watch children's show and you would not do like anything as on your Xbox.
But I want to do my Xbox.
Absolutely not.
We would like you to do what me and your mother to do, is watch children's shows, not on your Xbox. Go to your room now.
And punishment, we will make you watch How to Train Your Dragon for you to watch.
Upstairs now.